Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my very own dill pickles. It's a real easy recipe, this one, and is absolutely perfect for the upcoming summer. Right, so here I've got a saucepan. I'm going to add in 2 cups of warm water, like that. Just pour that straight in. You can be cold, but warm is a little bit better, and 2 cups of white vinegar. They can go straight in. You can actually use a white wine vinegar if you wish, but the traditional white vinegar is the way to go. 2 teaspoons of sugar goes in, and 2 teaspoons of salt that goes in, and what we're going to do is just heat that up until everything dissolves. No rocket science to this one, very simple. Once everything is dissolved, we've got a little bit of heat happening, we're going to remove that from our cooktop, put a lid over the top to stop any contamination that could possibly get in there, and we're going to get on with our next step. We have our mandolin. I'm going to use this little convoluted type blade or wavy blade. I've got my little cucumbers and I'm just going to snip the ends off. Didn't like the look of that, so I'm just going to cut a little bit more off. That looks better, and all we simply have to do is push that through our mandolin and make nice little slices of cucumber. Okay, so very simple. Cut the end off. They're nice and washed, and we're simply just going to slice these away like that, and we're going to give this a nice little cool French looking cucumber and or pickle, and it's also going to increase the flavor profile by having those hills and valleys in those cuts that we are making. So just keep going and make sure you have enough that is going to fill your mason jar. I've got an onion, peeled that, putting that through the mandolin as well, nice and fine. We're going to slice this one. We don't need it too chunky, we don't need it too powerful in flavor. Just going to get that onion, now it's sliced, and we're just going to mix that through and turn those into little rings like that, and all this can go into the jar in a second, and with our pickling spices, which I'll get onto in a very shortly. So pour the onion through. Now we need to sterilize this jar. I've got a big pot of hot water. I'm going to put my pickling jar straight in, seal and all, very carefully. Use a wooden spoon to assist you, and we're going to boil that for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once that's boiled, tip it upside down so nothing can get in from the atmosphere from the top, and we're just about ready to go, and that'll just dry out naturally. A little bit of dill, fresh dill of course, is going into our mixture as well. I'm going to add even more dill to this as the pickling, bottling process goes on. Alright, so our jar is dry, we've got some tongs, we've got our vegetables, and I've got my pickling spice, which is going to be around about 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of white pepper, 2 teaspoons of coriander seed, 2 teaspoons of mustard seed, and about 2 teaspoons of allspice or pimento, and put that in, and we can start adding in our beautiful vegetables into this pickling jar. A little bit more dill that can also go in, and use fresh dill please, because it does make a bit of a difference for something like this. Keep adding our shredded cucumber and spices and onion. That can all just go straight in like this. Just layer it up a little bit at a time. It'll all work out just fine in the end. Okay, so, and if you haven't had homemade dill pickles before, you don't know what you're missing. There's the last of our spice that goes straight in over the top, and let's see if we can fit in 1 or 2 more slices of cucumber. Absolutely perfect. Fill that up with that brine that we just made, which we've allowed to come back to a room temperature. They can just go straight in over the top. Fill that right up. Put that lid on, try and get rid of as many air bubbles as you possibly can, and there you go. Put that in the refrigerator. 2 days, even better, in about 2 weeks or even a month's time, And there you go, you've got your own dill pickles. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, it gives me confidence, it should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up, of course. And more importantly, you want to learn how to make something so simple, homemade and tasty like this. Well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, I'm going to go and watch the refrigerator for a couple of weeks and then enjoy my dill pickles, and I will catch you next time. Bye!